So we have these side bags. And these side bags we selected from a lot of different items that are available because they are extremely heavy duty. They're very pleasant to touch and they're very pleasant for use because they're highly functional. You can have them on the side of the bike and we'll show you how they look. Actually, we're not going to install them on the bike, but we're showing them to you because this is a really good option. And the really good option is because these are designed by our team and they contour to the little deviation the sidecar knows. So when you install it through, again, this high quality hardware through the rubber spacers, once they're installed, you're able very quickly to install and remove this cargo bag on and off the bike. All you need to do is literally just slip this on, slide these through, and put 2 pins on the inside, and that's all you need to do. Now you can put your goodies inside, and you can take them with you or leave them on the bike. And then to take them off the bike, you remove the 2 pins, pull it away from the sidecar, because this stays on the sidecar, of course, and then you take it with you. You have a handle on the top, or you have the shoulder belt with this nice flannel insert. And it's very, very nice inside. It's waterproof, it's roomy, and I'm not sure if the camera is going to have enough light, but you can see it's really nicely made inside. This accessory, this is one of my personal favorites. It's very well made, and as you can see, we have our own design bracket that attaches this canvas bag reliably to the sidecar. And then to take it off, let's do this together. I'll show it to you. All you need to do, you just remove a couple of pins on the inside, and the bag comes off. There's a shoulder strap, and there's a carry handle like this, so you can easily bring it with you with all the goodies.
Now that we've seen Dimitri briefly show us this saddlebag kit on and off the bike, I decided to get a kit on the parts table here so we can take a little bit more of an in-depth look, and I'll show you this is the dark oak option. As you can see, it would really add a nice vintage look to the Ural. I think it's a very attractive option, and as we know, we only had seen the standard black version earlier in this video. But first, let's just take a very close look at this bracket that we designed that, as Dimitri explained, it conforms to the sidecar body, the shape of it. So very high quality. The welds are high quality. Very thick gauge as well. It has a little bit of heft to it. Really, I can't foresee this getting damaged or really bending in any way. Not that I really have a reason to, but it's not flimsy at all, so to speak. And then we have the thick rubber spacers and high quality stainless steel hardware, and even the their locking nuts as well. Now the bag. These are very impressive. I think the moment you kind of hold one of these in your hand, you're gonna be just as impressed as I was. These things are just super well made, super robust. They have all these buttons and Velcro straps to keep all the edges from kind of flapping around. And even, I love this touch right here. We have a little pocket, zipper pocket, and the zipper is, it's almost like a thicker gauge zipper. I'm not really sure what to call that, but it's just a very heavy duty construction. And then there's a little button that snaps to keep the little pull tag from flapping around like in the wind or getting caught on anything. So all just like very thought out and really over engineered, as it should be. I think anything you're putting on your Ural should be over engineered, as the Ural kind of is in some ways. And then checking out inside of it, we've got all these little buttons to keep it nice and tidy. And then I believe we have the shoulder strap in here, nice design on there. And then inside the bag, we can see the little grommets where the bracket will go through, and then there's these pins to put through them, and we can see they're tethered to the bag, so there's no losing them in any way. And there's even a little pocket for them to go into there. Few pockets in here, so really a lot of options. Very stylish piece of kit here, and very high quality as well. Just taking one last look at the quality of the bag. Very, very impressive. But thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe so then you don't miss the future content we have to offer.